This is the arthroscopic view from the anterolateral portal of a patient's right hip. The FiberTak anchor has been inserted and deployed from the distal anterolateral portal, showing the two limbs of the passing stitch and the blue repair stitch. Using a self-retreating passer through a cannula in the mid-anterior portal, a portion of the looped passing stitch is grasped and loaded approximately 2 to 3 centimeters above the anchor point and passed through the chondrolabral junction. It is critical to grasp the passing stitch with enough slack from the anchor to ensure ease of passage and maneuverability through the tear, as well as ease of retrieval from the joint space. A fiber tape retriever is then used to retrieve the pass stitch from the undersurface of the labrum through the mid-anterior portal. The repair stitch is then likewise retrieved through the mid-anterior portal for passage. The repair stitch is then passed through the loop end of the passage stitch per standard procedure and shoveled through the anchor and tensioned appropriately.